guys, it is Thursday morning and welcome to today's vlog. Today is the last day that I have at home. Yesterday I moved my brother into college. We have our breakfast and we're off. We're moving. Woo! Yeah, it was a great time. We moved him into his dorm, so he's all moved in there, and then I move into my apartment tomorrow, so this is my last day home. So I'm running around like crazy and getting everything packed and doing all of that. I pretty much have like everything packed except for the stuff that I'm like using right now. So I need to pack up all my clothes, skincare, toiletries, stuff like that. I'll pack up all of that tonight. But right now I'm about to run out the door. I totally just filmed 2 videos. I got up early this morning, got ready. I just filmed a Q&A and then a what's in my backpack school supplies haul video, and then tonight when I get back from running errands I need to film a haul and a try on haul, and then I need to pack up all of my clothes and do all of that. So my room and everything is just kind of a disaster right now. I'm just trying to keep it all together, but everything else is packed. It's really just doing that, and that shouldn't take that long, like at all. It's more just finding like how do I pack it all, what do I put it in, stuff like that. So yeah, but before we get started with today's vlog, I just want to do a quick recap of just basically like the past like month. I kept meaning to vlog, so I just have a bunch of clips of different days. So let's cue the summer montage of random clips right now.
Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hard?
so hopefully got a little grasp of what I've been doing, basically eating food and doing fun stuff with my friends for like the past month. Yeah, okay, so I'm about to head out the door. Me and my mom have a jam-packed day today. We are gonna go get our toenails done. I've been meaning to do them just because I feel like my feet need like a pedicure. Like I just really need a pedicure. I just got a manicure. I got gel nails a couple days ago with my friend because she was about to leave and go back. Jordan was. So we decided to have like a little girls' day and do a couple things. So we're gonna go get a pedicure, and then after that we're going to Trader Joe's and Costco, and then I have a call at 2 p.m. for a really cool opportunity, so I need to make sure I bring my AirPods so I can plug in and talk, because apparently it's like a group phone call, which is crazy to have a group phone call. I've never done that before. I've done a group FaceTime, but a phone call I feel like is a little crazy. And then I also need to go to the doctor and get a physical and like a TB test thing, and I also need to meet with the girl I did a photography session on Monday, and so I need to meet with her and give her a flash drive of all of her photos since I leave tomorrow, and then I need to pack up the car tonight. Yeah, so just a full day. Maybe I'll do a Trader Joe's haul and stuff for you guys today. I'm planning on vlogging all day long. Hopefully that actually works out and I actually do it. So yeah, I'm gonna head out the door and we need to get to going because I want to be like at home or in the car when I start my interview at 2. So let's go. Hey guys, I'm in the car right now. I'm waiting for my mom. She's in Smoothie King right now. We just went and got our toes done. Look at those. So cute. Love it. I'm waiting for mine to dry because I can't get my shoes on them because I'm wearing Birks today. We're heading to Costco after this, and then we are going to Trader Joe's. Woohoo. So that's the update right now. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright you guys, I've not vlogged in a second because I've been running around like a crazy woman. Okay, so me and my mom went out, did all the grocery shopping, and then I had to come back here really quickly to jump on a call. That went really well for a really exciting opportunity, possibly next month, doing just some like cool like influencer stuff, whatever. So yeah, that went really well, so I had to get back and do that. So I was going to show like the groceries I got, but I had already put them away. So what I decided I'm probably going to do is show them to you guys tomorrow when I'm moving in or something like that, just so you guys can kind of see what groceries I got, but I'll put that in tomorrow's vlog instead for when I'm moving in. And then we came back here, I had that, and then I just went and got, I had to do a TB test and a physical for my job that I have this upcoming school year. And I also went and got my car washed because it was really disgusting. The windshield was like horrific. So I just went and got it washed quick. So it's all good for driving it back tomorrow and probably getting bugs all over it again. But you could like barely see out the front because there's so many like disgusting things all over it. So I just got back now and took care of all of that stuff from my work. And now I'm going to clean up this a little bit, and then I'm going to film a try-on haul. Actually, it's not going to be a try-on haul. It's just going to be a normal haul because I don't really feel like trying everything on, if we're being honest, and it's just a back-to-school haul, so I feel like people enjoy those. It doesn't really need to be try-on. Yeah, so I'm about to do that, and then I'm going to have to probably head out the door to go give the flash drive to the girl that I took pictures of, and then I'm going to come back here, eat dinner, and then I'm just going to probably pack for the rest of the night because I still have so much packing I need to do, mostly just clothes and stuff. It shouldn't really take that long, and honestly I'll probably start after I get done doing this. So yeah, time to get all cutesy again and film the haul, and then I will update you guys later. Update time. It is time to start packing all my belongings. I started bringing all my clothes out here. I want to put most of my clothes into here, like my nicer stuff. I need to start packing my skincare. I have that over ready for it. And then I'm going to pack like, I have like t-shirts and stuff like that in here, and all of those are going to probably go in one of these bags. I'm just going to start going through my clothes down here and grabbing all the stuff I want to pack, taking it out to my room and starting to put it into my suitcase. So yeah, I'm going to kind of start in my closet and move my way into my bathroom, my bedroom, and do all of that. So I will update you guys in a little bit, but there's probably going to be a montage of me packing now. Alright guys, my room is starting to look very bare. I think I have pretty much everything packed up and it's in the back of the car. The only thing I really have left are my backpacks that I'll pack the rest of my electronic stuff tomorrow morning. Put them in the back of the car. I just have Zambu and my hat that I will put somewhere tomorrow. And here I just have a couple last few toiletry stuff that I'll pack in the morning. And then back here, I just have this bag which I'm going to throw my pajamas and stuff into in the morning. And I think that is everything, hopefully. If not, I'll be back literally in like 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, for Labor Day weekend. So it's really not too big of a deal. So yeah, I think that is probably going to be the end of the vlog for today. Hopefully this was some really good content and you guys enjoyed it. I did a lot today. I managed to get everything done, which is amazing, because I didn't think I would get everything done, but I did, which is super awesome. It makes me very happy that I have all my ducks in a row. Yeah, so I'm about to take a shower and watch the latest episodes of Handmaid's Tale and then probably go to sleep because I'm exhausted and we have to wake up bright and early tomorrow morning to head to Columbia and move me in. So I will be vlogging tomorrow the move-in process as best as I can. I'm not a very good vlogger, so yeah, no promises in that, but I will try my very best. Yeah, alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for this beautiful angle that I'm giving you guys right now. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.